I'm pleased to announce that Jamaica has been named one of the world's fastest recovering countries and the Caribbean's fastest growing tourism destination.
As it seeks to maintain this winning momentum, the Ministry of Tourism will be working to increase traffic in our airspace, target new markets, build out our hotel room count, and develop the industry's human capital.
The industry will thrive, and we will thrive beyond the pre-COVID level. We continue to build the capacity of Jamaica to be connected to the rest of the world. It's about how do we ensure that Jamaica can be reached from any part of the world.
Arrangements are being made and alliances are being forged to increase visitors' arrivals through diverse air travel arrangements. These include 2 direct flights each week between the Brussels International Airport and Montego Bay, and 1 direct flight per week between Amsterdam Schiphol International Airport and the second city. At the same time, you will see air travel from Stockholm to Jamaica with a fortnightly flying program beginning this November. Frontier Airlines will also begin a new service in May with 12 flights per week from various USA gateways to Jamaica.
With the relaxation of our COVID-19 protocols, covered with the aforementioned strategy and policy, it is now time, Madam Speaker, for us to let go the bird. We are looking to new markets, and we are also looking to new destinations.
The ministry is also looking to develop new markets in Asia, Africa, and South America.
Madam Speaker, this will be the largest wave of tourism development and expansion in the history of Jamaica.
$2 billion will be invested to bring 8,500 rooms on stream over the next 5 years, which will inevitably create a surge in the local job market. This includes expansion or development works being undertaken at the Viva Windham Resort north of Negril, the new Rio Hotel in Trelawney, and the Bahia Principe, as well as a new Secrets Resort in Richmond, St. Anne.
We are committed to producing a competitive and productive workforce that can take advantage of possibilities in the tourism and hospitality business.
The Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation, JCTI, which offers middle management certification programs for industry workers, will be shifting its certification programs online. The American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute will be modernizing its website to allow for more online presentations. In addition, the JCTI will be creating a game-changing database of certified persons, which will allow employers to easily recruit qualified tourism workers. The ministry will also be undertaking a labor market study for the tourism industry. This destination management plan will see Negril being transformed with a town centre and beach park, offering a craft market, farmers market and a fishing village among other amenities to expand opportunities for locals and provide visitors with an authentic and world-class experience.
The new destination, St. Thomas, Madam Speaker, is now ready. And we are going to be spending somewhere in the region of about $305 million overall in developing the infrastructure for the new destination in St. Thomas.
Making St. Thomas the next prime tourism destination will involve developing Rocky Point Beach, establishing wayfinding stations in Yallas, rehabilitating the road to Bath Fountain Hotel, and developing heritage sites such as Fort Rocky and the Morant Bay Monument.
And we are going to have lifestyle tourism in that area, and we are going to call it the Jamaica Riviera.
The Ministry of Tourism has always sought to ensure that the gains from this dynamic and growing sector is seen and felt by all Jamaicans, and the 2022-23 financial year is no different.
We will therefore continue to push forward with a spirit of hope for a brighter future, with a prosperous and prosperity, Madam Speaker, for every Jamaican. Together, we have the opportunity to build forward stronger. The seeds have been sown for prosperity. Tourism for a shared Jamaican prosperity.